To fix login error in Alaska Airlines. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, however you prefer, and connect to a secure network. After that, you shouldn't be facing any problems while logging in regarding your internet. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the Alaska Airlines application. Tap and hold onto the application and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, and here at the bottom of your screen you can see two options called Clear Storage and Clear Cache. You want to clear cache and simply clear storage. Tap on Delete. Next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.